Hi! For today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to create 50 Instagram Reel videos in 2 minutes using VidiQ, ChatGPT, and Canva. But first, if you're new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. So to start, we have to make the script first or the text. And to do that, we can go to ChatGPT. Here at ChatGPT, you can ask whatever you want. Let's try to ask for funny quotes. You can see it will give you 10 funny quotes. But let's try to ask ChatGPT to write 50 funny quotes. Then, it will immediately write for you. But in case it stops writing for you, you can type on "Please continue." And there we have our 50 funny quotes that we can use on our Instagram Reels. The next thing we can use to write our script or text is the VidIQ. It is designed to boost your YouTube views. Get free insights and guidance to keep your YouTube channel growing. It is also trusted by leading creators. You can meet the most advanced growth tool for video creators. Understand what's working for your channel. You can sign up for free and boost your YouTube views. Discover keyword, title, and description recommendations designed for you. You can save hours researching, get in the flow faster with personalized prompts for your next hit video. See into the future. Focus on your efforts with view prediction and see forecasted performance for each idea. And then, break new ground. Supercharge your potential by uniting human creativity with the analytical power of artificial intelligence designed for creators. Get the most out of VidIQ. In order to unlock VidIQ features, you must add your YouTube channel. Custom recommendations powered by AI, performance comparisons on competitors, analytics for your videos, and subscriber analysis. And now, as we have our script, we can now proceed to the video. You can open your Canva app. You can see a lot of templates here that you can use, like Instagram post, Facebook post, your stories, logos, flyers, posters, Instagram stories. But what are we going to do is to search for Instagram Reels. And then click on that. And here, you can see a lot of templates that you can use as your Instagram Reel video. But let's search for the template that fits in our topic. There's a minimalist, motivational, travel, autumn, love, colorful, dark, motivational, green, minimalist, adventure, moments, colorful, pastel, orange, sunsets, and there's a lot of more here. But let's try this one. Blue-white tweet. Click on that. And here's our template. We can change the name here. Click on that. Let's change it into funny quotes. And then the other one, let's change it into at funny quotes. Then let's also edit the message here. And let's try to correct this first. Our video here is quite too long. Let's try to make it into 6 seconds. Let's cut it here. And we have 7 seconds. Let's cut it a little bit. And it's done. Let's now click on the plus sign below. Click on Elements. And then search for funny. And now, I think we can use this emoji here. Let's try to fit it on our profile. Like this. And now, the format is all done. What are we going to do next is to create our 50 videos. Click the plus sign below. And then, look for apps. And here, you can see this bulk create. You can tap on that. Add your data. You can enter data manually or upload CSV. For this video, we can click on Upload CSV. Click on Funny Quotes. And then, the data will automatically add on your video. Upload data as a CSV file or enter a table of data manually to quickly bulk create hundreds of pages. Now, you have to connect your data to your elements. Then, it will automatically create 50 videos at one time. Now we have our videos, funny quotes. Let's try to play this video. You can save them one by one so that you can post them on your Instagram Reels individually, one at a time. For example, we have 50 videos here, and you already have 50 videos, and you can post them within 50 days. What is good here is you can also add sound effects or music. And there you have successfully created 50 Instagram Reel videos in just 2 minutes using VidiQ, ChatGPT, and Canva. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. If you have a question in this video, please don't hesitate to leave a note on the comment section. See you on the next video.